even though it's slowly, I can see your plan unfolding. Open in front of me, my walk is far from over. Strolling, holding on to pieces, the reasons I feel them chosen. Rendered incomplete, a trophy far from worthy. Now I know it's steady praying at the seams of these dreams could be controlled with the Holy Spirit raining over, pleading please. But with the thoughts of this poet, my soul is off and I know it. The daily routine of incompetence, attempt to betray your silent providence. Only you know that I'm the image of wickedness, lacking with access to everything. My lack is deliberate, lack wisdom and innocence, lack meekness, my weakness, deep to selfish ambivalence, self-righteous diction of fulfillment to serve myself and my influence. Using your name's sake to make her name great. The sickness has crippled my mission, sipping on the gin, knee deep in a battle. I'm wishing God bless the ignorant who saw my life a lack and delivered it. Fall to my knees, I worship you. I can feel the morning dew, sun shining through. There is nothing I can't do. If I is replaced with you, make haste and move. The seed can make mountains move. If it's ground in you, see the flower bloom. There is nothing we can't do. If we all look like you, let me write your truth. A life worth giving. My wrist, my feet, my crown. You know that feeling when evil surrounded you. It's only found in you, absolute and accountable, accounted for by the infallible, seeming compatible. It's a story of impractical gratitude, overshadowed by actions acted out since Adam was rattled. So holy locked in this battle, will it break or shatter the pattern of our captive who burned through sinful capital, raptured into the stature of a captain. Transparent as the rings of Saturn, fight for my life locked in this battle, thinking I got him. The sins in my past begin to fade into the asylum. At the bottom of Sodom, see the enemy and I spot him. The hate he attempts to sow is sown shut by my father. He holds me like a toddler, blessed to call him Abba. The only God to follow, the only God that I know. The Alpha, not Apollo, Omega, never hollow. The author of my faith who holds the promise for tomorrow. My heart is crying. Fall to my knees, I worship you. I can feel the morning dew, sun shining through. There is nothing I can't do. If I is replaced with you, make haste and move. The seed can make mountains move. If it's ground in you, see the flower bloom. There is nothing we can't do. If we all look like you, let me write your truth. A life worth giving. My wrist, my feet, my crown. Daily crucifixion. I always knew there was something I needed. Never knew what to call it. Felt like my stomach was bleeding, but the hunger that I felt was more than inconvenient. And believe me when I speak it, homie, I battled with demons. I fought with my hatred, even wrestled with anger. Witnessed close friends smiling, finding success in my anguish. Alone pursuing music, blood spilt on this pavement. Took some blows in my pride, along that road to be famous. I've been stepped on like I wouldn't make it.